अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू एंटरटेनमेंट हब, जहाँ पर हमारे शो में फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की बात होती है, जहाँ पर हम लोग ड्रामास की बात करते हैं, हम लोग एक्सक्लूसिव फैशन की बात करते हैं। वहाँ पर इस एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री का एक दिल है, विच इज़ द थिएटर जिसने पाकिस्तान में बेहतरीन एक्टर्स पैदा किए, उसके साथ साथ पूरी दुनिया के अंदर इसी मकबूलियत रही है। पूरी दुनिया में मकबूलियत इस तरीके से रही है कि दुनिया में बेहतरीन एक्टर्स पाकिस्तान आके थिएटर देखा करते थे। आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं एक ऐसी शख्सियत जिनका नाम लेना बिल्कुल ज़रूरी नहीं है क्योंकि हर बंदा उनको जानता है। टुडे विद अस वी हैव मिस्टर उस्मान पिrzada. वेलकम टू द शो सर।
Thank you for being here, inviting me here. Yeah.
1974 government college days. You were in college and you started in the dramatic society.
1974 I left college.
You left college and how it felt?
How I felt?
How it felt when you left college?
Oh well, it's like every young person who leaves college after studying a certain subject. I was a student of English literature and I studied up till the masters. And after that, there are very few choices for a person. First choice is that you start writing in an English newspaper or a magazine. Second is that you appear for CSS exam. And third is you start teaching. So teaching I didn't want to, and writing in a newspaper was not my idea. And I didn't want to go through this stupid exam called CSS. So all these three things were null and void. So I picked up something from my heart, which was drama, which was acting. And that's the time in 1974 I physically, as a professional, I went into to this field. Yeah.
So you did a movie in 1975, Beyond the Last Mountain.
Yeah.
It was in English language.
It was in both the languages. We were shooting actually two films. Not that one was dubbed and one was in Urdu. We shot an Urdu version and we shot an English version. So we were shooting actually two films at one time, you know. So that was Pakistan's first venture which had English dialogue to it. Probably Javed Jabbar, who produced and directed and wrote that film, thought that foreign market can be captured by having an English version. Well, I don't think that is the situation. But then again, English is one language which is also our adopted language, of course. It's an official language of our country. So anyways, that was an interesting film to do.
So you are an actor, a director, a scriptwriter. Among all these three, which one is your best? Which you believe you love doing it? I
think it is direction that I always wanted to make movies, and I'm a very good storyteller, so I tell very interesting stories. So I personally feel that a filmmaker needs to be a good storyteller. And so I've dabbled in screenplays. So far, all the work that I have done, the screenplays have been written by me personally. And I've had writers collaborating with me. Like our first film, Nazdikiyan, was screenplay and story was done by me. And then the dialogue was done by Hasina Moin.
It's in 1986, sir.
It was 1986. And then my film, Goridiyan Chanjana, that one I made in Punjabi. Again, we won the national award for writing. So Sayyid Noor was my dialogue writer, and I had done the screenplay and the story of that. So yeah, that's how I've been working. I enjoy directing because direction gives you another dimension altogether, you know, which was from my heart. Yeah.
Viewers, we will take a break right now, and after the break we will be back with Usman Pirzada.